Welcome back to Just a Minute, Just a Mishnayos. This Mishnayos Nishmas Freidale Basrachal Neschus of Eli Ritzchak Ben Gila and their frost Ser Basriva Shtefur Shlema. So Maseches Gittin Perek Zayin Mishnah Gil Mishnah Dalad Ze Gittin Mati. If someone says to his wife, he says, "This is going to be your get if I die." Or Ze Gittin Imati Michael Zeh. Or if someone's very sick and he says, "This is going to be a get for you if I die from this illness." Or if he says straight out, Ze Gittin Lachar Misa, this is going to be your get when I die. Lo Yamar Klum. So in this case, it doesn't work because then he's basically giving the get after he's dead, and you can't divorce your wife after you're already dead. Mia Yom Imati. If he says this is going to be a healthy person, says this is going to be your get from today if I die, meaning after I die, it will turn out that this get was from today. Mi'achshav imati, or from now on. If it says mihayom imati, from today or from now, if I die, harez a get. So then in that case, it's a get. Mihayom, and the next Mishnah we're going to discuss exactly what the ramifications of this get is. Mihayom la'achar misa. If he says from today until after I die, get ve'in I get. Get ve'in I get. So if he says, so then in this case, it's a suffix. Because it's a suffix, so then, because if he says mi'ayom la'achar misa, because there isn't a get after he dies, because he's saying mi'ayom, it's a suffix, so it's uncertain, basically. So in that case, if he dies, his wife does chalitza, not yibam, because we're not sure if the get worked or not. If he says to his wife, this is a get for you from today if I die from this illness, if he's sick, and then he got better, and he got worse and died, if we check, we have to check if he died because of the original illness, then it's a get, and if not, then it's not. Mishnah Daled Lysis Yachid Imai Elabifne Edim. So now this is the ramifications of this get. They're not allowed to be in yichud together in the same room from this time now, because once he dies, it's going to turn out that she was divorced at this time. So they're not allowed to be in yichud together unless there's witnesses there. Afilu eved, and even if there's only one witness and that witness is a slave, afilu shifcha, or a maidservant, chutz mi shifchasa, unless it's her maidservant, because she's considered like almost family, so she won't say anything if something happens over there. So, they have to have one witness, but even people who usually aren't allowed to be witnesses can be a witness. What is she considered to a husband during that time? Rabbi Yehuda says she's still Eshes Ish, meaning if she goes and was with someone else during that time, she's Eshes Ish. Rabbi Yossi says she's kind of divorced and not divorced, so she's not allowed to be. It's kind of like, I guess, the same din as Erusin. She's not allowed to be with her current husband because she might not. Because here, she's not allowed to be with her husband because she might be divorced, but she's not allowed to go with someone else because she might still be married, and those are today's Mishnayos.